Ready to turn your unwanted clutter or your passion into profit on eBay? First things first, identify what you can sell. Think about items you no longer need, trending products, or niche goods that people actively search for on eBay. High-quality images are crucial. Take clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles showcasing the item's condition and features. Next, master your listing craft. A compelling title with relevant keywords that buyers will use. Be incredibly descriptive in your item description, detailing condition, size, materials, and any unique selling points. Be honest about imperfections to avoid returns and negative feedback. Pricing is an art and a science. Research what similar items have sold for to set a competitive price. Consider using the buy it now option for immediate sales or an auction format to create bidding wars. Don't forget to factor in eBay fees and shipping costs. Excellent customer service is your secret weapon. Respond promptly to buyer questions, package items securely to prevent damage during transit, and ship them out as quickly as possible. Upload tracking information immediately. Now, let's talk about getting noticed. Promote your listings. Share them on social media platforms like Facebook. Groups dedicated to selling or buying specific items. Running eBay promotions or using promoted listings can significantly boost visibility. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly add new items to your inventory and keep refining your approach based on what's selling and what buyers are responding to. Every sale builds your reputation and your income. By focusing on great products, smart listings, top-notch service, and effective promotion, you're well on your way to generating a steady income on eBay. Happy selling!